A very good morning, children. So, students, in EVS, today we revise chapter My Body. As you all know, our body is made up of many parts which help us to perform day-to-day activities. Parts of body can be divided into two parts. The parts that can be seen are called external part of the body that you see in this picture. We can see eyes, nose, chest, thigh, foot, leg, hand, arm, ear and head. So these parts are called external parts of our body. So how many of these? There are some parts are in pairs. For an example, eyes, ears, hands, legs. So you write down here eyes, how many eyes do you have? Fingers, how many fingers do you have? Nose, how many nose do you have? And toes, how many toes do you have? So this picture shows different parts of the human body. The body parts which we can see from outside are called external organs like eyes, nose, ears, arms, hands, chest, legs and etc. are some of external organs of our body. They all work together. Now let's see your finger are known as. First is thumb, then index finger, third is middle finger, fourth one is ring finger and last one is little finger. Your finger is known as thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger and little finger. So you learn what your finger known as. Let's see internal parts of the body. The body parts that cannot be seen from outside are called internal parts of the body. They are hidden under the skin. As you know, our body is covered with skin. These parts work in coordination like a machine all the time. Each part has a job to do. Let's read about some of them. First, brain. Brain helps us to think. It controls our whole body. It tells other parts of the body what to do. Now second one is lungs. Lungs help us to breathe. They supply oxygen to our body. So you see, brain help us to think. When we learn something, it's preserved in our brain and it also help us to think and remember things. Lungs are two in number, located one on each side in the chest. They are known as air bag and they help us to breathe. Then third one is heart. Heart pump blood to the whole body. We also have blood, bones and muscles inside our body. So you see, Heart pumps and supply blood to all the other internal and external parts of our body. Then stomach help us in digesting the food we eat. It is a J-shaped bag laying below the chest region. It also helps in digestion of food. So in this picture we see the brain, lungs, heart and stomach, and we read about their work. These are our internal organs which we can't see. So now let's talk about bones. Bones give shape to our body. They protect our internal organs. They are 206 bones inside our body. The framework of bones inside our body is called the skeleton. So you see, the bones protect the internal parts of our body, and there are 206 bones inside our body. So student, I hope you all are understand the internal parts of our body. So now let's talk about sense organ. As you all know, we have 5 sense organ: the sense of hearing, smelling, touching, tasting and seeing. The 5 sense organs: eyes, ear, nose, tongue and skin. They help us to send message to the brain. Our brain gets messages and it tells us what to do. First is seeing with eyes. We see with our eyes. We can see different colors, shapes and size with the help of first sense organ is eyes. Then hearing. Hearing with ear. We hear with our ears. And we can hear loud and soft sounds, pleasant and unpleasant sounds. Then smelling with nose. We smell with our nose. We can smell good as well as bad. We also breathe with our nose. Touching with skin. Our whole body is covered with skin. It is the largest sense organ. We can touch and feel hot and cold, smooth and rough, soft and hard, wet and dry things. So we feel with our skin. Then tasting. Tasting with tongue. We can taste with our tongue. Our tongue is covered with teeny bumps called taste buds. Taste buds on different parts of the tongue taste different things. We can taste sweet, salty, sour and bitter thing. Our tongue also helps us to talk and make sounds. So students, you see we have 5 sense organ: the sense of hearing, smelling, touching, tasting, and seeing. The five sense organs are eyes, ear, nose, tongue, and skin. They help us to send messages to the brain. Our brain gets message and it tells us what to do. So I hope you all are understand with this chapter. So let's do some exercise. In first exercise, tick the correct option. First is the number of bones inside our body. So you A 208 208, B 206 206. So you tick the correct one. Then second one is our whole body is covered with A skin, B blood. So you tick the correct one. Then third, we can taste with our which sense organ? A tongue, B skin. Then fourth one is we smell with our, so which sense organ help us to smell? A nose, B ears. So you tick the correct one. Now second exercise, name the parts of the body that help in tasting. Which parts of body help to taste? So you write down in this filling the blanks. Then smelling. Which part helps to smell? You write down here. Then hearing. Which part help us to hear? So you write down in this filling the blanks. Then fourth is seeing. Which part help us to sing? You write down here. Then fifth one is feeling. Which part help us to feel? So you write down these all names in these filling the blanks. Then next exercise. Your each finger has a name. Identify the finger and name it. Today we revise these name of each finger. So you write down the name of each finger here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are the numbers written here. So you write down the name of your fingers here. Then write one function of each. Heart. You write down the one function of heart here. Then lungs, brain, stomach. You have given pictures also. So you write down the work of each one. Only you can write one function of each one. So you write down quickly and send it to me. I hope you all are understand with the parts of body. Parts of body that can be divided into two parts. The parts that can be seen are called external part of the body. The part that cannot be seen are called internal parts of body. Our body work like a machine. The healthy functioning of our internal body part gives strength and energy to our body. So I hope you all are with these chapters. So you do these exercise and send it to me. Goodbye. Have a nice day.